Alright guys, so I'm back and let's get into it. So let's go and create our first landing page with this funnel that we just did on Aweber. Alright, so let's get started. So in order to create your first landing page, you're going to go to templates section in lead pages and click on standard, and you're going to see a bunch of stuff. Now before I actually go and choose a template, let me tell you a couple of things about creating landing pages. When it comes to high converting landing pages, you need to know that you need to choose the simplest possible landing pages if you want to convert high. Okay, so if you want to get more people join your list, you need to have a very simple landing page with a strong message. All right, so now let's find a landing page, and then let's find a good template, and then I'm going to show you how you can actually get the best, strongest message for your offer without even thinking about it. Okay, so let's get into it. So let's find a good one, and I usually use ones that, because in this case we just want to have them to sign in, opt into our list, so we don't have to really do too much work. So again, you're gonna have to choose a really simple template, and that's what I'm gonna do. Let's find a template that has not too much text. Nope, that's a good one. Let's take a look at the next page too. Yeah, I would go back to that one. Let's go back to this page 2. I like this one. So in order to use it, you click on use template, and it's going to take you to the editor where you edit this template. Okay, let's do it together, and I'm going to show you how you can do this. Let's wait for it to load. Alright, so working with lead pages is really simple, guys. So all you gotta do is you can edit things, you can remove them, and just get it, make the landing page that you want. So I want to, for example, remove this top part. So I'm just gonna click on this, click on hide, and there you go, it's gone. So all I want is this, and well, I'll think about the rest. But let's, this is a timer. Let's see. Yeah, let's keep the timer too. Yeah, let's keep the timer. I don't need the rest of them, so I'm just gonna hide them. As you see, again, you just click on this. Let's click on that, and then click on hide. Same thing for this one. Hide, hide, and let's hide this one too because I don't need it. Okay, so again, really simple. So let's go to the copy now. The question is how you create a good copy. How do you write a good copy? Because I'm not a copywriter, guys. Let me tell you, I'm not a copywriter, and I'm terrible at writing things. And also, you don't. I understand that many of you guys are not really good copywriters, and at the same time, you don't want to waste your time over this stuff. I mean, these are really important, but you don't want to waste your time to figure out what works and what doesn't work. Again, we're not here to figure things out. We're here to put things that already work into action. Okay, so in order to get the best copy for your landing page, you can get the best copy for your landing page from the sales page of your product. Okay, so that's how you get it, guys. That's how you get it. Just go to your sales page of the product and get the copy from there, because what they have on the sales page of your product, the product you're trying to promote, is the highest converting text that is possible. So when you copy that, you basically just get a good copy that is already converting on your landing page. But another benefit to this is that you are going to have a congruent landing page. That means that you're gonna have a consistent. You're gonna have a landing page that actually works, And when people see that landing page and opt into it, you're gonna have a product that is actually related to your landing page. So you're gonna have the same thing in there, and it's going to work really good that way. Okay, so let's go to the landing page. Let's go to the product. Let me just copy the link here. Let's copy this. And let's open a new tab, paste, and go. And this is the landing page. Let's see if I see any. Okay, I believe this is the header, and it looks really good. So I'm just gonna copy that header. Okay. Yeah, I'm just waiting for it. Alright, let's pause this video. Okay, so let's copy this. This is a really long one, so I'm not going to copy the whole thing. So we'll blast your tree before, yeah. So I'm just going to get the rest, half of it, because I think that's just long enough. So I'm just going to copy this. I'm actually going to paste it here once and then put it back there because I don't want any formatting in there. Okay, see, there you go. So again, in order to edit things here, you just click on them, right? You write the content or whatever you're trying to put in there. So I think that looks really good. Yep. Okay, so let's remove the rest of this stuff. I'm gonna hide this text. Hide this. And also another way to hide these things is to do it from here. So for example, I don't want to do, if there's a lot of things here that you don't want to do them one by one, you can just do them from here like this, and there you go. Perfect. Okay, so you got the button here, and let's edit the timer. You click on the timer, give it a time. And one of the reasons that it's good to use a timer is actually timers encourage people to sign up because they think it's going to be over. So if you want to do this, you can use the timer here. Now, and one of the things that I don't like about Leadpages is that they don't have evergreen timers that refreshes based on your visitors, not so this is something you're gonna come back and change it. For example, I'm gonna put it on for Tuesday. Okay, so by Tuesday I'm just gonna come back and change the date to Thursday, obviously. So you gotta keep an eye on this. So change this one. I'm gonna change this to this training video will be removed. In there you go. So now that's just creating a sense of urgency for everyone who visits the page. Next thing you want to do is you want to add the form. So you click on this button here. Let's actually click on this, and you click on link options to edit the form, edit the button. So I'm going to put instant access. There you go. Okay, so instant access. So that's that. I'm gonna change the button to green because it's a golf thing, and I'd rather have it green because it's kind of something that people can relate in the golf world. Let's have it like this. So it's a grass green type of thing. Okay. Now this, let's change the background of this to something more like a greenish thing. Let's see, countdown color, countdown background. Okay, that's the one. Let's change it to, okay, that's too dark. How about that? Alright, that looks good. Okay, so that's that, and we have this almost ready. So next thing you want to do is you want to give it a name. I'm just going to call it Golf Direct. Okay, now another thing you want to add is SEO tags. You want to give it a title. I'm just going to put the title as the headline, and just there you go. So discover the amazing new golf swing correction. Alright, so let's give it description. Description is for the description I'm going to use the headline. Click on done. So we're almost done with this page. Let me tell you something, guys. We're going to come back to this page to add Facebook tracking codes later on in next sections, but I'm just going to get this page ready and done so we can use it, and then we're going to come back to it and do more things to it. Alright, so again, do everything that you do with me, and we'll finish everything when we need to. Alright, so let's go back here, and the last thing you want to do is you want to connect your lead page, Aweber list, to this page, right? So that's what you want to do. So you click on the button and you click on this button. Actually, let's go back. Let's go back here, click on the button, and you need to set up your integration. Okay, in order to do that, you have to, let's do it from here. I think there's something up with this. Okay, that thing is blocking my Alright, so you're gonna see this, but sorry about that, guys. So you're gonna see this thing, and the first thing you want to click on is the integration settings, and you choose Aweber. You're gonna have it here, and you click on this to choose your form. Now, if you just have one form, you immediately you're gonna see that, okay? But if you have a bunch like me, you're gonna look for it. So take a look. I have the list here: golf cold and golf opt-in. That's the form you gotta choose. Click on that, and you go click on customize. Okay. I think I'm having an issue with the page. Let me just zoom out a bit. There you go. So it's gonna let me to customize. There you go. So you click on customize, and it's going to have this process. There you go. So let's go back in. So when you actually integrate the whole thing, when you get the whole thing done, you're gonna see that name and email are already here, because if we remember, we created these forms here, so we added name and email here, so it's going to load it from here instantly. All right, so make sure, let's edit this thing. Let's edit this one too. So let's add a picture. Let's add something golf related. Let's go to images.google.com and find something. That looks good. Let's save it. Let's upload a new one. Okay. Okay, so now let's edit this text here. So enter your email, enter your name and email to access this free training video. Let's change this button to instant access, and I like the blue. Okay, it looks fine. And yep, so click on sorry guys, so before we do that, we're almost done. The last thing you want to do is you want to change the thank you page URL. Okay, this is really important, because the purpose of this funnel is to we're going to drive traffic to this funnel, and then from this funnel people are going to put their name and email and go to our product page, so we capture their names and emails, right? So that's the purpose of this funnel. So we send traffic to this, people are going to put their names and email, and they're going to go to the product page, the sales page. So in order to do that, now we have the funnel ready. What we need to do is we need to tell funnel, hey, after they put their names and email, send them to the product. So in order to do that, you go to the you click on this from this menu, you click on the thank you page, and you put your affiliate link here. Okay, so let me get my affiliate link. And something you want to change is your ID again. So your ID is going to be, I'm just going to call this direct funnel. There you go. So if I make a sale from this landing page, I know that I got my sale from this funnel. So click on OK, and that is pretty much it. Okay, so let me just do this one more time because I'm trying to save it and it's not letting me to save. Alright, so guys, let's fix this one more time. Alright, so the reason I cannot click on OK is because this button here is kind of covering, my recorded button is covering this. So I'm gonna pause the video, click on OK, and then come back. Okay, give me a sec. Alright guys, so after you click on that OK button, all you gotta do is go up here and click on save. And it's going to save your landing page. Alright, let's just wait for it to finish saving. And there you go. So after it's saved, you're gonna see this page refresh. Okay, so after it's refreshed, you click on publish and you get your landing page here. Okay, let's click on it. Let's take a look at it. So you click on view page and it's going to open your page in a new tab. And take a look. We have our page here looking amazing. Alright, now let's try it, huh? Let's try it. So in order to try it, all you gotta do is just click on this, enter your name, email, and let's click on it. Let's see what happens. It should take us to the product video, to the there you go, to the landing page. Perfect. So that perfectly works. So let's save the URL somewhere. Okay, so because we're going to use this, so I'm just going to save it here. Alright, so we are done with this one. Now guys, I know this is a bit complicated, but make sure you do it. It's just absolutely easy. You just gotta keep doing it to learn this stuff. So let me know if you have any questions. I'm always here to help you. And I'll see you in the next video, because in the next video we're gonna do something similar to this, but it just with another extra thing added to it. Alright, so I'll see you in the next video, and let me know if you have any questions.